Hello, Earthlings! It's Monday night now, and unlike the beginnings of the last three Sound Vision vlogs, so much has happened before I filmed this today. Well, for starting, Jamie Lynn Hart's ensemble, we finally started rehearsing The Chain, which is going to be our big closer for our show coming up later. I also met with Lo Ortiz, who happens to be in that ensemble, and she's also going to be singing at a couple things in my jazz comp portfolio recital, which is this Thursday, the Thursday before I uploaded this, but there is video of it online, and I'm going to be posting it on my channel song by song over June and July. Then in harmony and Brazilian song, we looked at a few more tunes. We actually looked at a Lo Borges tune called O Trem Azul, or The Blue Train, and it sounds just like something Beach House would do, or maybe Tame Impala without the synths, or maybe if you got the Smiths really, really stoned, they'd write something like that. But it sounds like a modern American indie rock band thing. And then I saw the Co-op Big Band concert, a thing I participated in last semester, and they had a completely different band apart from one trombonist. Actually, Brian McShay, who was the guitarist, got up and sang one of his songs, which was really good. It was called New Leaves. You can probably tell what it's about from the title. And then in Joey Blake's Rhythm Section Grooves class, the students brought in tunes originally in 4/4 that they changed to odd meters, and we had some fun with that as he taught them to sing in odd meters. Yeah. Alright, it's Tuesday night now, and we had our final rehearsal for my recital. I'm pretty optimistic about it. Yeah. There's not really much to say, because by now it's over. As of now, Tuesday night, I'm feeling really good about it. Alright, it's Wednesday night now, the night before the big thing. Something kind of interesting happened in music psychology today at the end of class. Some of us participated in a research experiment where it was done on a computer, on a website, where we were shown a series of letter combinations, and we pressed one key if it was a word and one key if it wasn't. In English, that is. They were recording both response time and accuracy. I only got one thing wrong. I said that OTHCUMB was a real word. It kind of looks like a portmanteau of other and cumbersome, and it also kind of looks like outcome. But other than that, I got everything right. I don't know, it seems interesting to me. Alright, it's Thursday now, the day of my recital. In fact, I'll be coming to it from the class I'm about to head to. I've finished taping all the parts, except for one, which is the piano part for Shui Ska Shui, the big 10-minute 12-tone funk metal swing closer, which I should definitely be double taping, because it's a 7-minute piano chart, and I want to work with myself again, so I should tape my part in a way I can manage, so I don't end up hating the guy who taped it. Not that I would, because it's me, but... Well, I've taped the first 3 pages together, and ain't that just serviceable. Okay, it's a lot later now. I just got through with the recital. It was great. I sweated so much I had to take my shirt off. Yeah, massive thank you to everyone who played in it, and everyone else who came, both of you. Well, 4, I think it was, at the biggest. But yeah, it's great to finally have it over with. I didn't actually print programs, but I can always make one in Word because I have to submit a program as part of my portfolio. And I want to meet up sometime again with Paul, the tenor player, Joe, the bassist, and Robert, the drummer, to record my 10-tune fake book, which is also going to be a part of my portfolio. Hopefully next Tuesday, because one of the tunes in it is my Brazilian harmony final, and that's due on Wednesday. But if they can't, I can just make a Logic recording, like I do with most of my songs. I think I'm getting pretty good at Logic. And it's good to be a master of Logic in these times, with the president being at war with Logic. But yeah. Alright, it's Friday now. Earlier this afternoon I was at Juan Felipe Mejia's final recital thing. It was kind of interesting because I think unusually for him being the leader, he only wrote one of the tunes. All the rest were written by different members of the band. The one you just saw there was by Simon Fagerstedt, the bassist, and that was a favorite of mine. Anyway, I'm in the Fens now because apparently some students organized a kickball game. Well, I say organized. Hunter Lamar posted it as his Facebook status, and he is the consummate Berkeley musician, so he has a lot of clout. Well, we played one inning before he got kicked off by the, I think, high school lacrosse team, so now Hunter is going to try to do a 100. And there he is.
Watch Maggie's hand! Alright, be careful, seriously. Set, go.
Alright, Hunter had tickets to see Fast and Furious, so at this point he's gone, but we've moved to a different area of the Fens, and we've made our own diamond.
Yeah. Let's go, Henry, let's go! Gumbo! Right here! Hey! Go, Hoyt! Go! Henry! Let's go! Get your weight up. Take your order. Yes. Yes. Go two. Second. Go two. Go two.
It's in the water, but retrievable.
Well, you could be home by now. You could be home by now. I won't focus that ball. That's that slick ball. We're playing slick ball. Slick back. That ball got tetanus. That ball got tetanus now. No, bro, that's that greasy.
And there goes Henry.
Go for it. I like it. Watch out, Kyle. Go back. Get there. Kyle, get back.
And Henry is safe at first.
Kyle, I'm hitting you home.
Why didn't I think of commentating before? I have the perfect voice for it.
Watch this. Yeah? Yeah.
And there goes Chase.
Oh, he's going up!
And he is on first. He's stealing second. And Kyle is home. And Chase is home.
Yo, Chase MVP, baby. Angels in the outfield.
Chase!
Somebody call Danny Glover.
To the right. I don't like it.
Well, I guess you don't like it bouncy.
No, no one does.
Right field. I mean, yeah, right field.
It's not extra added anything. Stick the trumpet.
Get that shit, Dad.
He's
That's
not
you,
got
boy.
it.
There's very much confidence in you.
He doesn't have it.
It's all good,
There we
man.
go.
We all make mistakes sometimes.
Here we go, Henry,
We all
kid.
drop the ball literally sometimes.
Yeah, kid. One man up first.
Here we go.
Kyle, smart base running, kid. Watch out.
And there goes the ball, and Alonso does a football catch.
Fucking RJ.
Sorry. Roll it nicely.
And
Roll it
Chase
nicely.
has almost turned this into catch.
That's a good fucking roll, bro. Wow.
Yep, still catch.
It's fun.
And he misses him.
My ball has a
Yeah.
titty on it, man. I can't. Right to you, bro. Free hand, man.
Yeah.
And there is the ball. A relic in the tree forever.
Holy shit, is that going to home run? All I know is that's 3 runs. That's 2 runs. 2 people run. No. 3 just by the fact that it's the wind is gonna blow. Plantation.
And there are the fans at the real Fenway Park.
That's the perfect conclusion.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I feel like we're in a Shell Silverstein story.
Robert, we did it, man.
yeah,
Close the pack.
yeah.
Oh. Oh.
We got a bit of a thing.
The best. I look like.
Wait, you got it on film?
There goes Henry. And he misses. There goes Chase. Oh. Oh.
Chase, throw my phone here.
Make sure it's recording.
Yeah, make sure it's recording.
Yeah, we had a good ass time.
Yeah.
Does he have a bit about that?
Oh.
Oh man.
That was crazy. Did it move?
Yeah, it did.
I'm trying to go watch the movie. You're gonna... Somebody in Alaska is about to
If Chase gets us down dead after
Oh, huh?
Chase, I don't like. I'm just more impressed at your throwing arm right now more than anything. Like,
Yeah.
dude, there was an arc to that.
Like that's consistent. That's consistent.
Chase is
like,
the kind of dude that teaches his kid how to skip rocks.
in this
Yeah, there's no more
He's
rocks.
still looking for rocks. He's like, I threw all of them bitches. Ain't no rocks left in this
Yo, Chase is the prequel to Bullseye or the Punisher.
Shut up.
Damn. Did you say you become the Rock? Go home.
We're all staring at a tree. We're all staring at a tree.
There's the ball in
I
it.
feel like a new...
Did the rock get stuck up there?
What are you looking at? How did that happen?
Let's just
Oh my god.
He kicked it all the way up there like a kingdom.
Yeah, right down and be so tired after.
You gotta
Somebody get this on Instagram for a video. Oh my god.
I'm putting this in my vlog.
Yo, yes! Yes!
Like it's Pearl Harbor.
I watched all of Robert's vlogs. Robert's vlogs are so sick.
Kyle Thornton there plugging me.
Yes. Check out his vlog, y'all.
His vlog that you are watching right now.
I'm plugging, but he the outlet. I was like, what is that in your hand? That looks sus for a second.
He was close.
Oh,
Really close.
The tree is the dog.
Yeah.
The tree is the dog. The rocks are James Earl Jones. Baby.
True fans, how many of us?
And he's got 2 more tries in him to get that ball down.
I will buy you Casey Burger.
Oh my God!
Oh man. Oh wait,
Yeah, JP Lynch.
And he misses again. Well, Chase never did get that ball down. As you can see, it's been another really hot day. I just got out of Lux's calf show. For those of you who don't know Lux, they're kind of like the XX, but so is every other R&B type, alt R&B band with male and female singers who both play instruments and sing in octaves. I mean, Lux are very much their own thing, as well as being incredibly similar to the XX. They're noticeably a bit more R&B than the XX. And also they've got a real drummer. And I've had the honor or the privilege, I don't know which one, the hone edge, maybe, of meeting both of the singers, Colin and Corinne. I shared the stage with Colin a year ago when I was in Pop Rock Guitar Night. Not in his band. I was with Joe Sprunt, but he was another featured guitarist. And then Corinne was in 20th Century Women Songwriters with me. She's one of those musician archetypes where they're quiet off stage and really extroverted on stage. Even though they kind of hide in the shadows and let the light show do the talking, there's still a bit of light on them. And the music is really good. I should say that because in the end that's what it all comes down to. So this has probably been the busiest Friday of the semester, but on that note, go forth and be awesome.